welcome to my channel. In this video, Puppy Dog Pals characters in real life. Puppy Dog Pals is an American computer animated children's television series created by Harland Williams. The series debuted on Disney Junior in the United States on April 14, 2017. Puppy Dog Pals is about Bingo and Robbie, two pug puppy brothers who have fun traveling around their neighborhood and the world when their owner Bob leaves home. They also have a kitty sister named Hissy and a robot dog named ARF. The series premiered on Disney Junior and Disney Channel in the United States on April 14, 2017 and on Disney Junior in Canada on April 2023. Playtime with Puppy Dog was plus or aired a advertised season with the new couple. Here on August 24, 2017, Disney Junior renewed the series for a second